Good day everyone! Today I will be demonstrating on how to make vanilla chiffon cake. So the following are the ingredients. So first group of ingredients, we have here the dry. We have 1 and 1/8 cup of cake flour. So this is already sifted. 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Half tablespoon of baking powder. 1/8 teaspoon of iodized salt. We have the liquid ingredients or wet. We have 4 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup or 1/4 cup of canola oil, 1/4 plus 1/8 cup of room temperature water. Third group of our ingredients are the following. We have 4 pieces of egg whites. Make sure na wala siyang nasamang egg yolk. 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar or COT. So here are ingredients for the butter mixture and meringue. Okay, so our first procedure is to mix the dry ingredients all together. So that is cake flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, and iodized salt. Okay, so ilalagay lang natin siya sa bowl ng minsanan. Okay, okay, so haluin lang natin siya using the wire whisk. So sa recipe na to, dalawa po talaga yung measurement natin ng sugar. No, one is for the dry ingredients. Yung isa is for the meringue mixture. Okay, so moving on. Dito na tayo sa egg yolks natin. Okay, so haluin lang natin siya ng light and then mixan natin yung ating ibang mga liquid ingredients such as yung ating vanilla extra. In a separate bowl po ito, no? And then yung ating 1/4 plus 1/8 cup of water. Next are canola oil. Ayan. So i-mix lang natin ito ng mabuti hanggang ma-incorporate yung ating egg yolk dun sa mga liquid ingredients natin. Okay na to. Pwede na natin ilagay dito yung dry ingredients natin. So, para hindi mahirap magpugas ito, ilalagay na lang natin yung flour mixture or dry ingredients. Then, mix lang natin using wire whisk. Okay, ang anin lang natin dito is ma-mix lang natin mabuti yung dry sa liquid. Okay, kasi be careful, no, na ma-overmix ito. I-mix lang natin siya hanggang maging isa yung kulay nila. Set aside lang natin ito. Dito na tayo sa ating fourth step. Ilagay lang natin sa mixing bowl on our stand mixer yung ating egg whites. So, meron siyang attachment na wire whisk. Pwede na din natin ilagay yung tartar. Beat lang natin siya on medium speed. Kapag medyo fluffy na yung mixture natin, doon pa lang tayo mag-add ng sugar gradually. Pag ganyan na yung consistency niya, medyo fluffy na siya, mag-add na tayo ng konting granulated sugar. Okay. Then, i-beat lang ulit natin siya. Okay, so ilagay na natin yung remaining na sugar and then i-beat lang ulit natin siya. So, hintayin lang natin mag-stiffing yung ating mixture. So, patayin na natin yung ating electric mixer. Ayan. Again, no, check lang natin kung okay na yung consistency niya. Kapag ito nag-stiff peak na, okay na yun. Yan. So, ito yung stiff peak na tinatawag. Okay? Okay, so ito yung ating butter mixture and yung ating merang mixture. So, haluin lang natin ito ng konti para ma-incorporate ulit natin yung ingredients. At malis yung mga bubbles. Konti lang. Huwag i-overmix. And then, kukuha tayo din yung portion ng ating merang mixture. About 1/4 lang nung total. Okay? Then, cut and fold tayo. Cut, fold, cut, fold, cut, fold, cut, fold. So, kapag hinalo natin ito ng mabilisan using the wire whisk, mangyayari, mamamatay yung air na in-incorporate natin during beating ng merang mixture. Kaya kailangan cut and fold lang. So, unti-unti na silang nagmi-mix, no? At nagiging isa yung kanilang kulay. Wala ng white streaks and yellow streaks dyan. Doon pa lang natin masasabi na okay na. So, kapag ganyan na yung kanyang itsura at consistency, pwede na natin ilagay yung remaining merang mixture natin. Okay? So, same procedure lang din, same method, cut and fold. So, pwede din natin ikutin yung bowl mismo para mas mapabilis natin ma-cut and fold yun ating butter and merang mixture. Okay, so kung nakikita ninyo dyan, wala nang yellow and white streaks sa mixture natin. So, well incorporated na yung butter and the merang mixture. So, it is ready na i-transfer sa ating baking pan. So, we have here 8 inches by 3 no, na round pan and yung ating liners or parchment paper natin. So, no need na ilagyan or i-line ng parchment paper yung side kasi yung ilalim lang naman. Kapag nilagyan natin ito ng shortening, lard, or oil, no, dudulas yung mixture natin at hindi siya mag-rise. So, no need na nalagyan. After baking naman yan is, din yan, madali na din siyang alisin nun. Okay, so now we are going to put this cake in the oven, preheated oven, 350 Fahrenheit. Okay. And then set natin yung timer for 20 to 25 minutes.